Imagine you have $5 million to buy a house in one of the most famous locations in the world. And, suddenly, you witness this London commercial.
Investments here are regarded as lifestyle necessities.
Now, as attractive as London looks, this investment could also become one of your biggest regrets. Because investing in real estate is not like you enter a showroom and buying your favorite car. There are a lot of sensitive factors involved, like a good neighborhood, renovation cost and other factors that seller could try their best to hide from you. Moreover, a wrong purchase can drop the price of your property not to thousands but to millions. Have a look at the Sierra Towers in California, which has become the biggest regret of famous celebrities like Sandra Bullock. In 2017, she bought a condo in this tower for $5.1 million, and last year she sold it for $3.6 million. That's a $1.5 million loss. So, to avoid such dramatic losses, here are the top 5 things to keep in mind that cause real estate investors to fail. 1. Buying without any plan. Parking extra cash on real estate is always a great option. But, your money also needs to know its purpose on the property you own. Surprisingly, the majority of investors don't have a clear-cut plan on why they are investing in real estate. They are following the myth that owning real estate properties creates passive income. However, 30% of houses in